Hello my dear friends, happy Monday from Bangladesh and welcome back to my another Clean Planet World. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Darul Islam from Dangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday 31 October 2022. Now morning time, this Monday morning I will try to remove polluted garbage and old plastic from a natural place in our region. Friends, you can see behind my back very beautiful natural place in our region. Friends, this morning I visiting this place, I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collect the polluted garbage from here and threw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go, cleaning mission start now, just action. Friends, this is a very beautiful natural place. Now I try to collect polluted garbage, plastic bottle from here. Friends, first I saw here one old plastic bottle. So I collected this plastic bottle from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন old bottle, old plastic bottle. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our natural place. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Friends, I saw here many plastic stuck in soils, old plastic, many plastic here. So I collected this old plastic from here. Many plastic stuck in soil. So I collected this plastic from here. Very bad and old plastic, friends. Dirty. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our natural place, public place. This is a very harmful our children, our people. So I collected this old plastic from here. Many old plastic, friends. One more plastic here. Another one. Friends, I collected many old plastic from here. And plastic bottle one. Friends, now this polluted plastic threw in dustbin. Let's go. এটা আমি এখন ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। Friends, this our area's dustbin. I threw this garbage in this dustbin. Thank you.